Power is out here in Marquette, Michigan. Crew's working really hard to try and keep roads clear, but it's kind of a losing battle.
There, and you're in front of us. So we're like not too far behind. Let's check by consistency. We have the double back. The good news is coming back down. This should be a little bit easier.
Full-fledged blizzard out here in Marquette, Michigan. Cars stuck all over the city. Zero visibility. Some snook snowplows. Making sure y'all are good. All things considered. All right. Do you got like warm stuff at least?
He was helping me. Now he's stuck.
Oh, are you down there? Oh, okay.
Even in a truck.
That's not good. Come forward again.
Should we try pushing her forward?
Yeah. Well, let's try pushing her back, and then if not, we'll try forward. Yeah. The only thing. Do you live close to the street? There we go. Nicely done.
Good job.
Good job. Nicely done.
Just in time.
I know, right? Have a good day, brother. Up.
Goodbye, visibility.
Who needs to see anyway? Nobody in there. I'm just east of Marquette, Michigan, near Harvey. And while the heaviest snow is a little bit east of here and past, but the extreme winds are doing so much tree damage, some of the most I've ever seen associated with a blizzard. Just look at all of these snapped trees. You can see the tips of them right here snapped, just completely obliterated. All through here, there's so many, there's dozens. It literally goes all the way back over here. We're seeing winds of upwards of 60 miles an hour. And the whiteout conditions just continue. Even if the snow is gone, there's still just zero visibility through here on Highway 28. And this isn't gonna let up anytime soon. This is gonna be the case throughout the day, and the power outages are really stacking up. Almost the entire city of Marquette and an entire town of Harvey are without power.